now we get to the bit, we've done all the refilling, we've now got our two sets of cartridges here, and we are now going to replace them. Now, at the moment, this printer has, as you can see, a whole series of cartridges that are all showing as running low or partially used, whatever. In some cases, they're completely empty. We're going to open up that and open this up. Press this button right here. Okay, it's the one with the upside down triangle inside of a red circle. Press that. Yep. It will now move the print head into its cartridge exchange position. We're now in the cartridge changing position. So we're going to be putting this set of inks, just outside a shot, into the printer. They've all been refilled and they're ready to go. We're going to do the whole lot. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to go with matte black. And we're just going to stick the clip from the one that we've taken out and put it on. So as we're taking cartridges out, we're replacing the clip from the one that we're putting in, sticking it onto the one that we're taking out. So next one, Cyan. So best to hold your cartridge like that rather than like that. Then you're less likely to squeeze it. So Chroma Optimizer is in. And last but not least, Magenta. And Magenta is in. All of these now got all their caps on, and those are the ones that we've just taken out. I will deal with those in just a second, but I want to get that so that it's now in its resting position and the print head is covered, so that's fine. So now it's saying I've detected that these were genuine. That's fine. We click OK. At the moment, these are sort of like going notice and things. As soon as I print something, I'm reckoning I'm going to get a warning to say that cartridges are empty. The ink has run out. Replace ink cartridge. There you go. This is exactly what I was suggesting was going to happen. So as you can see here, at the moment it says matte black, photo black, grey, cyan, yellow, and red. Okay. So what I do at this point is I press and hold that button over on the right for 5 seconds, 5-6 seconds. As you can see, the matte black has now gone. So I need to do it again because it's still got more of them. So I press and hold for 5 seconds. Same thing happens again. You should now see that the photo black's gone. Yep, photo black is now gone. Now, the printer's now complaining that it wants me to sort out these other cartridges, so I'm going to do that now. So same thing again, just press and hold for 5. And that's the last one. Magenta's now done. So now all of these, as you will see, yes, I want you to start cleaning. Once it all comes up, you'll see that there is absolutely no ink monitoring on any of those cartridges anymore. When you swap those cartridges over to this set that haven't been in it yet, you'll have exactly the same thing. You'll have to go through all 10 at some point in order to actually get it to recognise that those cartridges have been refilled and you want to continue regardless.